Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a dual hot and cold laminator. So let's jump right to it, show you guys what you get, and let's test it out, see how well it works. Alright, right away we see that this comes with measuring, so you can measure for cutting. So what you would do is you would place your paper under here and you would cut it. That way you don't have to waste it. The paper, the laminating paper goes in through here. On the side here you have a clipper. There's actually a nice holder for that. They also supply you with a manual and also laminating paper with different sizes as well. They also supply this, which looks like, oh, this is really cool. So I believe this is for photos, and you can string it up so you can hang the photos up. So you would laminate photos, put them inside here, string it up. Oh, that's really awesome. They provide you with clips as well as the string and different. Alright, so on the side here you have your on-off button. You have hot or cold. We're going to set it up for hot, and it will turn on green when it's ready. So right now it's red, it's given power. Let's go ahead and cut a piece off here that we're going to use. So probably about that much is all we need. And as you can see, you can cut that simple. And now you have a piece here. And for laminating paper, it's simple. All you do is place whatever you want laminated in here. So we're going to laminate this like this. Try and get all the air out so it's in like that, the item that you're laminating. And then once it's ready, you will feed it through, but only when it turns green. So we're going to wait till it turns green. Alright guys, now it is ready. So all we do is we just feed this through. Once you place it in, it will automatically pull it in. And it's that simple. Now I do want to point out that these do give off a smell, especially for the first like 20 plus uses. So don't be alarmed if it gives like a weird smell. That is normal. Every single laminator I've reviewed gives off that smell. Alright, now we're going to go ahead. I always like to do it twice, and this time I'm doing opposite. You don't have to. That's just my personal preference. And it's that simple. And there you go. Now you have your laminated item. So one thing that you can do is take a scissors and you can cut around your laminated piece. So obviously I'm just using a knife just as an example. But you would cut around, stay maybe like a ½ inch away from the actual piece, and then you can put it through it one last time. But yeah, work good. Overall, love it.